chicken run!
Looks so funny!
Don't underestimate it, it will win! Watch out! Hey, that was intentional! Get back to the edge where you belong! Stop it, you're gonna kill us! Move it or fall off! Watch where you're going! You watch it, this is my lane! Get out of the way, Slowpoke! We're coming through! I'm taking the lead now! Zoe, let's team up to defeat Rumi! Agreed, let's go! In the end, she was still the loser, Rumi. Let's leave her alone and reach the finish line together.
Rumi, you're so incompetent!
We made it! Yes! Victory!
I told you this would happen! Why didn't you listen to me? Come to me, you two talented girls!
This time she will have to pay the price. Mira and Zoe.
Let's get ready and practice a little. Let's go faster!
Try harder! We lost once, but this time we will win. Let's prepare ourselves well.
Today will be the ultimate battle for the championship between Rumi, Mira, and Zoe.
And yet she still dared to come here today. Let's defeat her again!
Keep going, Mira and Zoe!
Today I will defeat you all!
It's huge! Keep going, we need more speed!
It's time to settle things! You absolute cheaters! Move it! I'm taking the lead now! You're finished! Get out of the way! You're trying to knock me off balance! Keep moving! We're taking the lead now! Watch out! Move over! Why are you two so weak, Mirazoy?
Two people not being able to beat one person is truly pathetic.
I am the champion!
I was wrong. Please forgive me.
Why should I forgive you, you bastard?
记得点赞关注哦。